Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about Jacobian. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here that is about the matrix, and we have first derivative of s with respect to u. The next one, we have first derivative of x with respect to v. Next, we have first derivative of y with respect to u. And the next one, so in this situation, we see that with respect to u, that is about this one in here, for variable of s. So this one, first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. And now we put number 1 cone here. First derivative of s with respect to v, similar, we have number 1. This one for y of u, so this one we have number 1 and negative number 2. And now we need to find determinant. For example, we have a, b, c, d. So for this one we have 8 multiplied by d minus bc. And now we have like this. This one we have negative number 3. That is the end. Thank you for watching.